This is kind of interesting. So we got a plus point 0.1 Z offset on this machine. And on this machine, which is an Ender 3V2, it's a negative zero point 0.1 Z offset. And it just goes to show you that there are no two identical 3D printers. They're both Ender 3V2s. They're both essentially built with the same exact stuff. The only difference is on this one, I put the extruder on the top instead of on the X gantry, but you know, that's a preference thing. But yeah, they're you know, this was actually my original 3D printer, and it was such an asshole to work with that I've had to gut it and rebuild it so many times, where this one out of the box was pretty much ready to go, and I just did the standard extruder and Bowden tube upgrades on this one. And then, you know, eventually firmware and ducts and all that fun stuff. But long story short, all that to say is that they are both leveled at the exact same time with the exact same piece of paper, with the exact same everything, and the same pretty much build, the same plate, the same, but this one 0.1, this one negative 0.1. You just, I don't know. It's kind of interesting, I think. There are no two identical machines. Just remember that if you're struggling with 3D printing. Someone's advice may have worked for them, but you may find that your machine just works a little differently.